world population is increasing very fast. The area for agricultural production is becoming more and more limited, and at the same time, the environment becomes more and more polluted. The Faculty of Agriculture, with innovative approach and interdisciplinary activities, would provide solutions to some or many of these problems in the future.
The Hebrew University's Faculty of Agricultural, Food and Environmental Quality Sciences is a world leader in developing forward-thinking solutions to limited agricultural resources. Faculty researchers have pioneered techniques used throughout the world, from drip irrigation, which revolutionized water use, to non-chemical methods of pest control, from improving the health benefits of plants to increasing their availability and yield. And this kind of expertise has been shared with hundreds of students and colleagues from developing countries. Research in biochemistry, food, sciences and nutrition focuses on understanding and enhancing the health benefits of foods. Recent studies have explored new health benefits of fruits and vegetables, tiny edible nanocapsules as a vehicle for enhancing foods, probiotic bacteria as anti-cancer agents, and legume-based infant formula.
More than 25% of the infants and children that are using infant formula have lactose intolerance. This is the reason that we created a multidisciplinary team that is focusing on developing new infant formula for babies to be utilized in unnourished countries, undeveloped countries in a cost-effective manner. And the formula is going to be based on chickpeas.
We can see here both the vines and the olive trees, where we try through the modern technologies of biotechnology, light and irrigation regimes, get higher levels of beneficial compounds in the fruit or in the final product, whether it's the olive oil or the wine.
Livestock farming and animal care in the 21st century face new challenges. The adaptation of farm animals to hot and arid climates, and the management of diseases affecting animals and humans. Also, a priority is generating new environmentally friendly technologies for farming and breeding, such as aquaculture.
In this closed system, we grow fish at very high densities without any water exchange. All the pollutants produced by the fish are broken down in the system by means of microorganisms. This system not only prevents pollution of the environment, it's also very economic in water use.
One of our most interesting projects is currently going on at Lake Victoria in Uganda. There is a huge decrease in all the fish that used to live in the lake. What we came to do is to teach these farmers how to grow the African carp, how to grow them in aquaculture.
We are converting byproducts of human industry to animals' feed. One of our projects with the Palestinians and Jordanians was to help to cultivate salt bushes in the desert area, and thus to help the local economy by enabling people to grow feeds for animals in desert areas.
In the quest for less harmful agricultural practices, faculty scientists are seeking methods to increase crop production by natural means.
Not too many people know that, but about 2/3 of the total crop plants in the world rely on pollination by insects in order to reproduce and set fruits. And we want to see how the type of the habitat and the way we manage it, how this affects the populations of wild pollinators.
Recent innovations at the Robert H. Smith Institute of Plant Sciences and Genetics and Agriculture have led to patented technologies for developing collagen from plant sources and enhancing plant growth rates. This work has major implications for medical treatments, repopulating forests, and increasing food production.
We are here at the Science Park across the street of the Faculty of Agriculture in two companies that were established based on a technology that came from the Robert Smith Institute from my laboratory. The significance of the research is in view of the global warming, which results from the destruction of much of the forest in the globe. We were able to introduce into transgenic plants genes that modify the cell wall. And by doing that, we are now able to accelerate the growth of the plant.
This is a plant that we're using to collect the genes that are responsible for production of very important drug that allows millions of people, hopefully in the future, to survive such a terrible disease as malaria. 3 to 5 million kids are dying every year from this disease.
My name is Kibrom from Eritrea, it's East Africa. In my local university, there is no such a field, the nutrition as well as food sciences in the university. That's why now I came here. I will be the person to develop the national standards when I go back home to the home country.
The faculty plays a major role in improving agricultural practices worldwide by sharing research, knowledge, and applied solutions developed at the faculty with students and colleagues throughout the region and across the globe.
My name is Natalia Dandurishvili. I came from Georgia. I'm doing my Ph.D. here. We are working with a crown-gall disease of grapevines, and we want to find some biocontrol agents to prevent this disease. This experience that I got in the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, I can share to the other people in Georgia who is fighting with this disease and a lot of other bacterial diseases.
We face a daunting challenge to feed the future generations through knowledge-driven agriculture, to develop and disseminate innovative and broadly applicable solutions to provide healthy nutrition to an ever-hungrier planet. With our team of world-class scientists, proven track record for excellence, and cutting-edge research, as well as our key location in the ecologically diverse Middle East, we are uniquely poised to face the challenge of preserving our collective future.
The Faculty of Agriculture of the Hebrew University is one of the jewels in the crown of the Hebrew University. The research, the education delivered by our excellent faculty members had a great impact on the Israeli agriculture. It had a great impact on the world. But the challenges, we believe that we have to think differently for the 21st century. It requires a different paradigm. It requires an interdisciplinary approach. The people doing environmental studies have to talk to the people doing plant science or animal husbandry, and involve also the people doing nutrition. It requires a different academic structures. It requires a different type of physical setting. It's a great challenge, but we are ready to be a major player in feeding the world in a healthy food in a way which is environmentally sustainable. The Faculty of Agriculture is ready for the challenges of the 21st century.